Everyone, I welcome you all with this new video on this chapter called My Elder Brother by Munshi Premchand. Yes, students, this chapter has been written by the famous Indian writer Munshi Premchand. This is actually a story by Munshi Premchand titled Bade Bhai Sahab, that is written in Hindi and later translated into English. The story shows that experience is as important as hard work. Dear students, this is the portrait of Munshi Premchand, the famous Hindi writer. And now we will talk about the story of this chapter, My Elder Brother. This chapter is actually a play, and in this play, we will have total three scenes. So let's see what happens in the scene first. Scene first would talk about the story of two brothers who are in a hostel. So, Munna and Bhaiya. They are in a hostel room. Munna is 9 years old and Bhaiya is 14 years old. The elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book, whereas the younger one, Munna, is drawing. So Bhaiya asks Munna that, Munna, what are you doing? Munna answers, I'm drawing. Bhaiya says, so when will you study and what were you doing in the morning? To listen to this, Munna answers that, Bhaiya, I was playing, as I cannot sit hours with the book. Then Bhaiya says, I want my foundation to be strong. That is why I believe in working a year's work, even in 2 years, so that I can get good education. But Munna says, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than me and three classes ahead of me. I really wonder that why you always keep writing same words 20 times and same sentence 20 times in your notebook in beautiful handwriting. Then Bhaiya says, studying English is not a child's play. It's not an easy thing. One has to work very hard to speak and to write proper English. One need tremendous effort. So that is why I write and study this much. But on the contrary, you always run to the field to fly the paper kite or to have fun with the friends. For this, Bhaiya says that, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go there? Then Bhaiya answers that, have you ever seen me going in a fair or watching cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them and I like to study only. I choose study and I don't mind repeating a class for even 2 years. Whereas what I feel that you would remain in the same class the whole life because you play all the time and you are simply wasting our father's money which he has earned with lots of hard work. Then Munna starts crying because of the scolding of Bhaiya, and then Bhaiya answered that, okay, no need to cry, because Munna says that I feel like going back to home, I feel like running to home. Then Bhaiya says, okay, no need to cry, stop crying, now put a big smile on your face because I have made a timetable for you. And you can have a look at the timetable, students, that what schedule Bhaiya made for Munna. 6 a.m. wash your hands, then have breakfast, study, then again study English, maths, history, then go to school, after that grammar, and then half of an hour strolling. Stroll means walking. and then again English compositions, dinner, translation, Hindi, and other subject work. For this, then Munna asks, then when is the time to play? Then Bhaiya says that what is the need to play, Munna? Then Munna says that I love the green fields, I love gentle breeze, I want to jump like a football, and I like the touch and go and hoo sound of kabaddi, and I like volleyball and all these things, and I cannot skip it, as because when I reach the field I just forget everything. So let's see now what happens in scene 2. The final exams were over and the result was out. Bhaiya, alas. Alas is the sound one makes in English to express sorrow. Bhaiya says, alas, I have failed once again. And Munna says, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. And now there is only 2 years difference between us. For this, Bhaiya says, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have just passed one class and you think that I'm stupid and you are smart. And if once, you just get lucky and you hit a goal in the game of Gulli Danda, that doesn't mean that you have mastered it, that you have become the champion of this game. So you have to work very hard to be successful in life. So when you will study subjects like algebra or geometry, which is found in maths, then you will find the difficulty of hard work. Then you will realize that how much hard work you have to do in geometry. If you will write ACB in place of ABC, then your answer will be wrong, and the examiner who will check your paper will not spare you, will not just let you go simply. So you have to just read word by word from the textbooks. Then Munna says, oh bhai sahab, this is scary, that this is really horrible, and I don't want to go to standard ninth, but I just want to complete my homework because I do not want any punishment. Then Bhaiya, he just says that we were asked to write an essay today on the topic punctuality in 4 pages, and can you imagine that how it can be short if it was in 4 pages? Then Munna again, he thinks that thank God it was time for school, or else otherwise Bhaiya would again keep scolding him. Now, scene third. Now, again, the result was out, and what happened? Munna passed and Bhaiya failed. Bhaiya was really, really upset, and this time Munna was also upset to see his brother sad. But what happened that now Bhaiya became gentler with Munna, but Munna became naughtier because he thought that he used to pass easily, so he studied now less. And then Munna was just thinking that how lucky I am, I can pass easily, I don't need to study very hard, and I will just play, and I will fly kites with my friends. But I should be still careful that Bhaiya should not see me flying kites. So now Munna was really reckless, and one day he was just after the kites. But then what happened that suddenly Bhaiya just came face to face Munna, and Bhaiya says to him that aren't you ashamed of yourself playing with kites all day long? Don't you realize that now you are in standard 8th and you're not studying in a lower class? If you think that you I am just one class ahead of you, and you can't say anything now about it, and I will not say anything, and that that you are wrong, then don't forget that I am 5 years older than you are, and I will always be older than you. And understanding doesn't come from the reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Then Munna says, really Bhaiya? Is it true? Bhaiya says, yes. there are 1,000 things that they know more than you and me. And they know so many things. Though they haven't studied anything in the school, the things which we have studied. And Baba will always be right, and he can explain things more. Okay, you tell me, if I were to fall sick today, what would you do? So Munna says, I don't know, Bhaiya. I would just tell to Baba, and he would rush to the hostel. Then Bhaiya says, aha, I had expected this answer from you. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out that what was wrong with me, and then he would call a doctor. Baba would never be this in this much hurry. He will not get nervous, because he has more experience of life than us. So, to listen to this, Munna had tears in his eyes, and he says, sorry, Bhaiya, what you are saying is true. And Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Then Bhaiya says that I also like to play and fly the kites, but if I will play, then how can I, take responsibility of you? How can I watch over you? Because you are my responsibility. So, this was the story. Students, read it, and I'm sure that you will understand it very well. So, thank you.